Hi, I'm Dan, and congratulations. You're about to receive a $70 bottle of Excel that is proven to change your life, completely free of charge. All you have to do is complete the form to the right and click Rush My Excel. It's that simple. Your exclusive bottle of Excel will be on its way to your door 100% free. We're even paying shipping and handling. All you have to pay is for processing. So prepare yourself for the most mind-enriched feeling you've ever experienced. You see, Excel's advanced formula was specifically designed for one reason, and that's to free your mind. And with its fast-acting formula, you'll begin to feel its effects in just a matter of a few minutes. The advanced formula will immediately start to cleanse and free your mind of all those unwanted distractions, irritating thoughts, and overwhelming processes that have developed over the years, thus leaving your mind in peak performance condition and poised for limitless possibilities. Today, we're even giving you access into our very limited VIP program just for being an ideal candidate. This will allow you to access free products, books, and over $300 a year in completely free merchandise. VIP members also receive a lifetime guarantee of $20 off on every bottle of Excel. And because we're so excited to get you started, you will also be receiving the brain booklet called Simple Secrets as our personal gift to help guide you along an additional $47.94 value, free of charge. So today, you are getting a limited time offer of one free bottle of Excel's advanced formula, and you're also becoming part of the select few to be allowed access into our very limited VIP program, which gives you $300 in free merchandise with a lifetime guarantee. And you're also receiving the guide called Simple Secrets that's proven to raise and improve your mental clarity at no cost. That's over $400 worth of goods that you're receiving completely risk-free. But because of limited supply, we're only accepting minimal applicants. This is a first-come, first-served basis, and limited positions are filling fast. So the only way to ensure your spot is to act right now, before your position expires. Otherwise, you could miss out on this chance forever to receive over $400 value completely free of charge. So, are you finally ready to wake up your mind and gracefully embrace the proven ingredients and pure power of Excel? Then please fill out the form. Your information is secure with us. So, just click Rush My Excel. Your bottle will be immediately on its way. And remember, we don't share your email or personal information with anyone. So rest assured, your privacy and security are guaranteed.